Welcome to the Flags of the World Quiz, Asia edition. You will see 20 flags of Asian countries and 4 choices. Pick the right one and learn the meaning behind the flag. Are you ready? Let's begin! Number 1. The correct answer is letter D. The flag of Afghanistan features a vertical tricolor of black, red, and green, with the national emblem in the center. The black represents the 19th century era of colonialism. The red symbolizes the fight for independence, and the green signifies Islam and prosperity. Number 2. The correct answer is letter C. The flag of Bangladesh has a red circle on a green field, representing the sun rising over the fertile land. The circle is slightly offset to the left so that it appears centered when the flag is flying. Number 3. The correct answer is letter B. The flag of Cambodia features 3 horizontal bands of blue, red, and blue, with a depiction of Angkor Wat in the center. Angkor Wat is a temple complex and a symbol of the country's history and culture. Number 4. The correct answer is letter D. The flag of India has 3 horizontal bands of saffron, white, and green, with a navy blue wheel in the center. The saffron stands for courage and sacrifice, the white for peace and truth, the green for faith and fertility, and the wheel for the law of Dharma. Moving on to number 5. The correct answer is letter C. The flag of Indonesia has 2 horizontal bands of red and white, which are derived from the banner of the 13th century Majapahit Empire. The flag is also similar to the flag of Monaco, except that the Indonesian flag is wider. Number 6. The correct answer is letter A. The flag of Japan has a white background with a red circle in the center, representing the sun. The flag is also known as the Hinomaru, which means sun disk in Japanese. Number 7. The correct answer is letter B. The flag of Kazakhstan has a sky blue background with a yellow sun and a soaring eagle in the center, and a vertical stripe of national ornaments on the left. The blue color symbolizes the sky. The sun represents life and energy. The eagle signifies freedom and power, and the ornaments reflect the cultural heritage of the country. Number 8. The correct answer is letter A. The flag of Laos has 3 horizontal bands of red, blue, and red, with a white circle in the center. The red color represents the bloodshed for independence. The blue color signifies the Mekong River and prosperity, and the white circle symbolizes the unity of the people and the full moon. Number 9. The correct answer is letter D. The flag of Mongolia has 3 vertical bands of red, blue, and red, with the national emblem on the left. The emblem features a soyombo, a symbol of fire, sun, moon, earth, water, and yin and yang. Number 10. The correct answer is letter B. The flag of Nepal is the only national flag that is not rectangular or square. It consists of 2 red pennants with a blue border, each with a white emblem. The upper emblem is a crescent moon, and the lower one is a 12-pointed sun. The flag represents the Himalayan mountains, the Hindu and Buddhist religions, and the bravery of the Nepalese people. Number 11. The correct answer is letter A. The flag of Oman has 3 horizontal bands of white, red, and green, with a red vertical stripe on the left and the national emblem in the upper left corner. The emblem consists of a dagger and 2 crossed swords, symbolizing the historic weapons of the Omani people. The white color stands for peace and prosperity, the red for battles against foreign invaders, and the green for fertility and the Jebel Akhdar Mountains. Number 12. The correct answer is letter C. The flag of Singapore has 2 horizontal bands of red and white, with a white crescent and 5 white stars in the upper left corner. The red color signifies universal brotherhood and equality. The white color signifies purity and virtue. The crescent represents a young nation on the rise, and the 5 stars stand for the ideals of democracy, peace, progress, justice, and equality. Number 13. The correct answer is letter D. The flag of Thailand has 5 horizontal bands of red, white, blue, white, and red, with the blue band being twice as wide as the others. The red color signifies the blood of the nation. The white color represents the purity of Buddhism, and the blue color stands for the monarchy. Moving on to number 14. The correct answer is letter D. The flag of Uzbekistan has 3 horizontal bands of blue, white, and green, separated by 2 thin red stripes with a crescent and 12 stars in the upper left corner. The blue color symbolizes the sky and water. The white color signifies peace and purity. The green color denotes nature and fertility. And the red stripes represent the life force. The crescent represents Islam, and the 12 stars represent the 12 regions of the country. Number 15. The correct answer is letter A. The flag of Vietnam has a red background with a large yellow star in the center. The red color represents the blood of the revolutionaries, and the yellow star symbolizes the unity of the people under the leadership of the Communist Party. Number 16. The correct answer is letter C. The flag of Yemen has 3 horizontal bands of red, white, and black. The red color signifies the struggle for freedom and unity. The white color represents a bright future, and the black color denotes the dark past. The flag is based on the Arab Liberation Flag, which was used by several Arab states that gained independence after World War II. Number 17. The correct answer is letter A. The flag of Armenia has 3 horizontal bands of red, blue, and orange. The red color symbolizes the blood of the Armenian people. The blue color represents the sky and hope, and the orange color signifies the courage and creativity of the nation. Number 18. The correct answer is letter B. The flag of Bahrain has a white band on the left and a red band on the right, separated by a serrated line with 5 white triangles. The white color represents peace and harmony. The red color signifies the Kharijite sect of Islam, and the 5 triangles represent the 5 pillars of Islam. Number 19. The correct answer is letter D. The flag of Cyprus has a white background with a map of the island in copper and 2 olive branches below. The white color represents peace and purity. The copper color reflects the rich natural resources of the country, and the olive branches symbolize the hope for reconciliation between the Greek and Turkish communities. Lastly, the correct answer is letter A. The flag of Iraq has 3 horizontal bands of red, white, and black. With the takbir, the Islamic declaration of faith, in green in the center. The red color represents the blood of the martyrs. The white color signifies peace and generosity. The black color denotes oppression and tyranny. And the green color stands for Islam and the Hashemite dynasty. Thanks for playing the Flags of the World quiz, Asia edition. I hope you had fun and learned something new. Share this quiz with others and subscribe for more. See you next time!